So, saw your question here from 9 to, I think it's number 3 here. Let me see, let me go closer. So you got a simple random sample of size n is drawn from a population that's normally distributed. The sample mean is found to be 113. The sample standard deviation S is found to be, that's what, 10. You want to construct a 95% confidence interval about the mean if the sample size is 20. So you can do this by hand and with the table. Easiest way, probably stat crunch. Click on stat, go down to T stat, and one sample with summary. So you just put in the mean, which was given as 113, put in standard deviation, was given as 10, and the sample size is 20. You want a confidence, you want a 95% confidence interval. Then you come down here and click compute, and it gives you, the lower and the upper limits, which you're asked for here. Degrees of freedom, error. So that'd be the easiest way. I hope this helps.